How to Disassemble Shark Turbo Blade XL, Full Guide 2026, Dust Buildup on your Shark Turbo Blade XL killing your airflow. Before you consider returning it or paying for a service, disassembling it for a deep clean is completely doable at home in under 10 minutes. Let me walk you through every step safely and correctly right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you the complete 2026 guide to disassembling the Shark Turbo Blade XL fan for cleaning or maintenance. The Shark Turbo Blade XL is a bladeless tower fan featuring 10 fan speeds, 180-degree oscillation, twistable vents, and air blanket mode. And keeping it clean is the key to maintaining that powerful, quiet airflow. Let's get into it step by step. Step 1. Unplug the fan completely before doing anything. This is non-negotiable for safety. Make sure the fan is fully powered off and the power cord is disconnected from the wall before you touch any part of the assembly. Never attempt to disassemble while the unit is plugged in. Step 2. Separate the base from the pole. Twist the fan base counterclockwise. You should hear a clicking noise until it won't turn any further. Once you hear that click, the base is unlocked and you can lift the pole section straight up and away from the base plate cleanly. Step 3. Separate the pole from the base plate. The pole twists clockwise to lock into the base, so to remove it, twist the pole counterclockwise to unlock it. Lift the pole straight up once unlocked and set the base plate aside on a flat surface. Step 4. Handle the blade section carefully. For the XL model, if your blade section needs to come off, press the blade downward toward the motor housing to release the internal locking catch, then pull it straight off. Don't twist it or pull at an angle as that makes it harder to remove and may cause damage. Apply firm, steady, straight pressure only. Step 5. Clean each component thoroughly. With the unit fully disassembled, use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior vents and pole surfaces. For stubborn dust buildup inside the air channel, use a can of compressed air to blast debris out from the inside. Users report that cleaning the turbo blade takes about 3 minutes once disassembled. It's one of the easiest fans to maintain once you know the steps. Step 6. Reassemble in reverse order. Line up the red arrow on the pole with the red arrow on the base and twist the pole clockwise to lock it back in. Then align the base onto the base plate and rotate the base clockwise until it clicks firmly into place. Make sure every connection clicks securely before powering back on. Here's your pro tip. If the blade section feels stuck or resists removal, use a soft cloth for extra grip and make sure no locking tabs are still engaged before applying pressure. Never force it by yanking at an angle. Always press straight down first to release the internal catch, then pull straight back. Make this a monthly habit during heavy-use summer months. A clean Turbo Blade XL runs noticeably quieter and pushes significantly more airflow than one clogged with dust buildup. And that's your complete 2026 disassembly guide for the Shark Turbo Blade XL. Unplugging safely, twisting the base off, removing the pole, handling the blade section, deep cleaning every component, and reassembling everything correctly. Your fan will run like new after every clean. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance guides every week. Drop a comment below. How often do you clean your Shark Turbo Blade? See you in the next one.